Hey girls, so today I'm going to be recreating this look which I saw on Instagram on Beyonce, okay? So Beyonce posted this selfie, which she never posts any selfies, but I was in love with this makeup look and so was a lot of people. Like, I also watched Sir John, which is her makeup artist, who makeup Sheila and Jessie Perkins makeup on their channel, so I got some tips from him. I figured I would use some of his tips and try to copy her picture and try to create the vibe that was going on there. So this is what I did for today's video. If you want to see this look in action, just keep on watching. So I'm starting out with this eye pencil from Laura Mercier in the color Copper. This is what it looks like here. It's like my skin tone but better. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. I did watch Makeup Shayla and Jessie Perkins video, and her makeup artist does use these types of pencils on the eyelid before going in with eyeshadow, so I thought this would be perfect for this step. I'm also going to use my finger to just kind of blend it out. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Soft Glam from Anastasia. Just this palette I feel like would be perfect for this type of look. It has all the nice neutral colors. I'm going to take the color Sienna right here and I'm going to put this in my crease. You go right into this color. I'm going to apply this into my crease and just kind of blend it out like this. I'm going to take a bigger brush to just blend it a little bit more and make sure it's nice and blended really well. So Beyonce's skin tone is not the same as mine, so I'm going to go in with a color that's more similar to my skin tone, which in this palette would be Rose Pink, this one right here, or Sultry. So I think I'm going to go, let me just swatch them so you guys can see. I'm going to use Sultry because it's deeper. It's closer to my skin tone, I feel like. And it's just going to give me that similar effect. So I'm just going to pat this right over that cream color. And it's just going to help it look really, really nice and pretty. Next we're going to use a black pencil. This is from Laura Mercier in the shade Tuxedo. It's just a matte black pencil to do a smoky eyeliner, very close to the lash line. I'm gonna do some mascara. Alright, so I'm gonna take that same bronze color for my lower lash line and just pop that right here. We're gonna go into Sienna once again and just smoke that out a little bit. We're gonna use this House of Lashes Iconic Style. This is the light version of Iconic. Foundation, I'm gonna use Makeup Forever in Y505. I'm only using this foundation because that's the one he used on Makeup Shayla, so I figured I would use it as well. So hopefully this shade matches me. I don't remember if it does. So for concealer, I'm going to use Mocha from Too Faced. I'm going to apply this under my eye. I know he likes to, so I know he mentioned that he cleans up the under eye with concealer and also like pulls upward, you know, to give you more of that cut eye look. And in that picture, Beyonce definitely has that look going on. So we're gonna go up with that. Just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it. So as per Sir John, a good nose contour starts in the crease. So we're gonna bring this all the way up here and just then bring it down, ramp it around the nose. I know he uses cream contour, so we're going to use this concealer. I'm going to blend it. We're going to just blend. I'm going to go with that sponge and blend this out. I did notice that he used a little blending brush to blend the concealer. So I'm going to go in with this brush right here and just blend right under here with it.
I'm just checking. Make sure y'all still out there.
I'm going to blend in this contour, take away some of my forehead. I'm going to take a brush and blend out this contour shade. I'm going to take some more mocha. I know it looks crazy right now. So I'm going to go on the side of it. I'm going to take that same brush and just dab it on here and just blend mocha right over that concealer. I'm going to take a beauty blender. Taking that concealer brush again and just blend in that right here. So I personally like to set my under eye with powder like bacon. Sir John says he likes to cook, so we're gonna go ahead and cook the under eye area. I'm gonna use this Derma Blend powder. This is Derma Blend in warm saffron. This is so different from me because I usually take my sponge and just literally pack on powder, but I'm using a brush. It's so different. Wow, it looks really good. It actually looks really good. I was not expecting it to look like this. I was a little nervous about this part, you guys. This part was the scariest for me because I wasn't sure what this would look like without pressing it with a sponge. In the video, I noticed that he went over with a big brush, so I'm gonna take a big brush and just go over the rest of my face with that same powder. So I know he mentioned in Shayla or Desi's video that he goes over his cream contour with a powder contour. So I'm gonna use this one from Kat Von D. I do plan on picking up his eyeshadow palette and the contour palette once they get into Ulta stores. So for blush, I'm gonna use this color right here from the Joy palette. So for the lips, I'm going to use this lip liner from Laura Mercier in the color Rock. So she's wearing a gloss in her look. I'm going to use this gloss from Sephora. It's kind of see-through, so you will still see my bottom lip. And I can see it's a little see-through. The last thing I'm going to do is highlight my face. I'm going to use Chocolate Geode, which is this one from Becca. It's very close to my skin tone. It looks very flattering on my skin tone, so I'm going to just apply this right up here. I know Sir John mentioned that if you have any breakouts, you should go a little higher with your highlight because most people don't break out like right on the cheekbone. So I thought it was a really good tip, but I definitely will pay attention knowing that now, and I'll let you guys know if I ever break out there. I'm also going to take some of this color and put it right in here. So we're going to set my face. So I try to do a little center part to make it a little more similar. This is the Beyonce Slay, you guys. I sound a little funny because I'm a little bit under the weather. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.